heart rate variability being important, not only to me as an individual, trying to figure out how to keep my body healthy for the long term, but I also have been very interested in it for the participants in our yoga research and our cancer research. And so we've had a few discussions, the research team, about heart rate variability, and we're measuring it. We tried to measure it in our previous pilot study, and we're working on measuring it for this next upcoming study. So what I've noticed when I myself first started reading about heart rate variability is that it seemed at first very complicated. And I was not able to wrap my head around, what is this? Okay, wait a minute. Because when I was coming up in my curriculum and learning, about physical therapy and just fitness in general, heart rate was all the rage. Cooper program, we're checking our target heart rate, Carbonin formula, all of these things. So all of a sudden, I start hearing about heart rate variability being this thing that you use to determine how healthy you are. And I'm like, okay, yeah, heart rate, the lower your heart rate, the better, and my heart is stronger and it's pumping out. And then the heart rate variability said, you don't want a low heart rate variability. And so I'm like, well, what the heck does that mean? Wait a minute. So anyway, here we are.